Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're showing a test of this Zacconi espresso machine. You can see we have two side by side here that we're working on, but today we're just going to show a video on this one, or right now we're just going to show a video on this one. Actually, there's three of them here. Three Zacconi machines. The one on the far right has a spring in the lever. So yeah, we fix a lot of Zacconis here. So let's go ahead and pull a test shot, and of course I need a cup. See, we get a nice shot of espresso, really good crema. Go ahead and test the steam. I actually had turned the power off on the surge protector, so the steam was not all the way up to pressure, as you can see when you look at the pressure gauge, but it's clamming pretty quickly here. There we go, just stopped right above 1 bar. And now we have nice strong steam pressure. So thank you for playing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.